Ever wonder who's visiting your site? Are they real customers, curious visitors, or bots just sightseeing? We're going to take a peek behind the curtain. Let's walk through how to view and understand your website's visitor traffic using DreamHost's traffic dashboard. See who's really showing up and what that means for your business. Knowing your traffic is smart business. It's strategic advantage. Are your users visiting multiple pages or bouncing too soon? Are they coming from mobile devices or desktops? Understanding these patterns helps you optimize for user experience and reach. If your site's hosted with DreamHost, it's super easy. You're just going to log into your control panel. Here I am logged into this control panel. We are on the home page. Let's go over to the left-hand side here and go down to Websites, Manage Websites. Once you're here, it's going to show you all your websites that you have hosted with DreamHost. For today's example, we are going to be using DreamHostExample.com. You can get to the traffic tab two different ways. You'll see this traffic column right here. You can just go down here and click on the percentage right here. Your percentage might be different than the one we see here. Or if you prefer, we can go to the Manage tab here and then click Traffic. Both are going to take you to the exact same page. Once you're actually here, you're going to see a few different things. So let's break this down a little bit. The first thing you're going to see is recent traffic. This is just going to show you all the recent traffic that has actually hit your site. You can actually scroll through this chart and it's going to show you the different data in here. Or you can click View More. Again, as you scroll through this is going to show you the actual data that's on this chart here. Or you can actually change the time frame. It's going to default to the last 7 days. You can change it to the last month or the last day if you would prefer to see that data. From there, let's go back to the traffic tab. And to the right of the recent traffic, you're going to see the device traffic. This is super interesting because this is going to show you the breakdown of visitors on your site that are coming from mobile versus desktop, which can be super useful. Say, for example, you wanted to do a targeted ad. This information is going to tell you whether you should tailor it more for desktop users or more for mobile users. And then if you see this drop-down menu right here, you can click this, and now it's going to show you the different browsers that your visitors are visiting the website from. From here, let's scroll down a bit. From here, you're going to see the page views. This is just going to give you all the different information on which pages visitors are visiting on your site. You can either choose to use the chart view here, or you can switch this over to list view if you would like. But let's click on View More. From here, you're actually going to be able to see the top 100 page visits on the site. It's going to default to the top 20 here, but you can go all the way to 100 by using these arrows down here on the bottom. From there, let's go back to the traffic tab. To the right of page views, you're going to see IP addresses. This page is super interesting. This is actually going to show you all the specific IP addresses that are actually hitting your site, along with the associated organization of that IP address. If you see your own IP address in here a lot, that just means there's a lot of internal site traffic going on. It could just be you working on the site, visiting the site. If you see a lot of IP addresses in here, or any IP addresses in here that you don't necessarily want accessing your site, you can simply block those out via htaccess. And then if we go back to the traffic tab, we can scroll all the way down here and you're going to see this map. Let's click on View More. Once you're here, you're going to see all the different continents here. If you click on each one of these, it's going to show you the individual countries and how much traffic is originating from each individual country, which again, this is super useful information because you can use this information to restrict access to your site from anywhere you want with different WordPress plugins or however you would like to use that information. These insights help you fine-tune your content, layout, and outreach for the audience you actually have. Once you know how people are engaging or where problematic traffic might be, you can take action. That might mean improving the mobile experience, tightening security by blocking shady IPs, or putting your spotlight content front and center. And that's how you get to know your website's real visitors and gain actionable data to help your business grow. Stay tuned for more tips from DreamHost.